Hey ho peoples, welcome. A new video, long time no see. As you can see, I'm back in the land of the rising sun. The sun is behind you, but it's risen. And yeah, I'm back, and there hasn't been much YouTube content lately. I've been in Germany or like in Europe, traveling around for a few months, and yeah, I'm back now, and I thought I'd make a little update video on how everything goes, what I've got planned for the channel, because I don't want the channel to die out and just not do anything anymore, because I enjoy making videos and I enjoy doing whatever I'm doing. So I have some ideas of things, because lately the motivation for, like, I recorded some videos, but always the motivation to edit them was not that great. But I have some ideas of how I can switch up the content a little bit, and also some ideas about if I should change the channel name or something like that. But I think for now I'll just leave it as it is and just continue some content. And yeah, to start the update, I'm now here in Japan, working here like full-time. I just applied for my visa extension, so that should hopefully all go well. Let's see. And yeah, working at the product development for a car, for turbochargers, and yeah, I can do CAD stuff that I like. So it's really cool. And yeah, I have my car back here. Also, I think the MRS is not gone. The MRS is still in Germany. I'm not sure what's gonna happen to it yet, because I'm here now, but it's not. I didn't commit to saying how long I'm gonna stay here, or if I'm gonna stay here forever. I don't know. For now, I really like it, and if all the other factors work out, I might stay a while as well. So that depends on what's gonna happen to the MRS. For a long time, I had the idea of importing it. It has no AC, and I noticed in this car how hard it is with no AC here in Japan. And second AC install when I could just buy the same car here, I don't know. If I go back, this car is definitely gonna come with me, and then the MRS will still be there. If there's anyone out there, the car is in Germany, if there's any German viewer or something who would be interested in buying the MRS, I actually don't want to sell it, but maybe if I need to sell it, I would love to have it in someone's hands who really takes care of it, doesn't just sell it after 2 weeks and it gets just like given around until it had like 20 owners. Because like cars really well, like the MRS, I took out the CamCon. It's for sale, by the way, if this video comes and no one has bought it yet. Just because there's no need for it to be in there. For now, my dad might be driving it a little bit. And CamCon worked great. I still have a video in the works about the CamCon, explaining everything, what it can do. If you don't know what the CamCon is, it's like a piggyback ECU thing, which I found here in Japan and installed it in the MRS. There's still a video coming someday, I guess, about that. And then yeah, all the other suspension, like the TRD suspension works great, the sway bars work great. I have now like Nankang NS2R tires, which are, I think, not as good as the Federal 595 RS Pros that I had before, but still work. And yeah, anything else? I had the cool rev counter installed, but I took that with me. The rev counter is gonna go in this car, hopefully work a bit better, because the way I hooked it up in the MRS directly to the signal that goes to original tacho, it counted like 500 revs less than it actually should, so I'm not sure what was up with that. But yeah, the car is still in good shape, still the wing is on, hardtop's there, and it's just really nice shape. A few tiny things to do, but apart from that, yeah, that's as far as the MRS updates goes. I think I still have some MRS videos that I want to upload. you've seen some shorts, maybe if you did. If not, no problem. Go watch it. No, I'm joking. But yeah, did some snow driving in the MRS. I think I did in 4 months, or like in just one road trip, I did 5,000 kilometers to the UK, France, Austria, and back to Germany. It was really fun. The MRS is just such a reliable car, no problems at all, zero. It's just so nice. And now I'm switching back to this beauty. All the problems. Insert meme here. Yeah, if we come to the 8.6, what I did first thing when I came here, I changed the wheel bearings because they were bad from the first day I had it. I drove around a few thousand kilometers, I guess, with bad wheel bearings, but they're fresh now. And next is the tie rods, because this wheel you can turn it like, I don't know, 5-10 degrees. That's how bad the inner tie rod is. It's really, really bad. I've never seen anything that crazy, but it still drives, and I hope I don't crash, but that's gonna come soon whenever there's some money left over. And yeah, get the wheel, the tie rods done. And when the tie rods are done, next thing will be suspension, because it had super hard springs and shot dampers. So definitely I need 4 new dampers all around, and my goal is to get like adjustable ones if that's possible. I know for the rear it had adjustable ones, but also need to get the right length, because right now they are the short style. They're not the short style. They're a little shorter style, but not the shortest. So the spring in that ride height, the spring can still wobble around, so that's not good. So you need the shorter damper, so it can't decompress so much that the spring can fall out. So I need shorter style damper in the back. And for the front I want to get some helper springs, because in the front it's the same. The spring can rattle around if it's on full droop, which is yeah, never really gets, I guess, for the driving I do, but still it's not the proper way to do it. So I want to get some helper springs, and maybe there's some shorter style, shorter stroke dampers for the front as well. And I'm really, really looking forward to that, because right now it really rides like shit. Like, it's super bumpy, the springs are extremely hard. I'm not sure if I want to get softer springs, slightly softer springs maybe. I'll do some research what the 8.6 gurus online say, what's recommended, because this still mainly street car. I do want to do some drifting and some track days here and there whenever I feel like it's in a condition where it can survive some track driving, but I still also want it to be a daily. And yeah, that also then involves, I want to put in some carpet and paint everything and do stuff like that, and get some new seats, at least one, because the seats are in there. They're from Toyota Carina, factory seats, but the problem is that the seat rails, the movement like they can do is really shallow, so I can't move the seat as far back as I need it, and it's pretty high, so my head is always like, I think without the thick jacket I can move in the seat where where the roll cage bar is here, and I can move my head like slightly on the roll cage bar, but as soon as there's a bump I'll hit my head on the roll cage, so that's not that cool. So I want yeah, a seat and things like that. And then I have some super cool projects. That's the next part for what I want to talk about in this video. Maybe I don't want to make it too long in general anyways. That mainly I'm really enjoying some engineering projects lately. I have a like roof spoiler designed for the 8.6, which I want to print first, and also have some contacts already where I might be able to produce it in carbon fiber later if I'm happy with it. So if you have an 8.6 a notchback or whatever you call it, might be for sale sometime. And or if not, then I might give the file for sale or something like that, so you can build your own. That's a cool project. And then I'm working on, I have this screen in there, like the CarPlay screen, and I built a like cool engineered mount for that. And I also want to print that and put it in, but for now it's still a bit the printer doesn't work as how I want it. So that's a bit still in the works, but I'm sure I want to make some videos about that, and then maybe also in general just videos of driving somewhere. My goal is whenever the car is like the tie rod is fixed and I have some money left over, I want to do some more frequent trips to the mountains. Just drive and train with the car and learn how it works, how it behaves. And I have some friends that I met at Akagi, which I would also be happy to meet up a few more times. It's like depends on if you drive with toll or without toll road, highway or no highway. With the highway, it's like 2.5 hours from Chiba to Akagi. It's like if you watch Initial D, it's the Red Suns mountain. And without the toll road, which I mostly go, it's like I think 3, close to 4 hours, I guess. Which is also like okay. It's not that bad. I don't mind. But yeah, one thing I also did, I applied for a credit or like a debit card, and that I can get an ETC card. Because if you don't know, Japan's toll system works in like 2 different ways. You can either go to the toll booth, pay whatever you want to drive, and then you go through the gate. Or if you have this ETC card, which you put in your car, you have a little machine, and then you just drive up to the gate, and then it opens and you can go through, and then it deducts that from your bank account. And I learned it's a heck of a lot cheaper to get the ETC card. I just thought it's more convenient, but it's actually also a lot cheaper. So yeah, that's what I'm applying. Maybe I can make a video on how to install the ETC machine, but I guess there's many videos out there how to do it. And yeah, in general, the goal is to make the car as cool and pretty as it can be. I'm also thinking about getting some side skirts. You can't see them in the picture right now, but I guess I'll put in some clips here and there. I want to get some side skirts to make it look a bit cooler, and I'm also looked at some front bumpers, because this front bumper is okay. It's a bit dented in the middle, and the paint is bad, so I thought about repainting that, but I thought instead of getting like the factory front lip that most people have, I could also get like a cool aftermarket front bumper, because that's the cool part for me in Germany. If there's no papers to anything and there's nothing for the 8.6 much, so you can't use it. And here no one cares. You can literally put on your car whatever you want. There's some slight rules, but yeah. I can finally do all the things I always wanted to do in Germany. I can finally do them here. Which, like, I could get a cool front bumper. I have some cool like light intake ideas, or like some cool ideas. I want to print a new, can you see it in the photo? Print a new front grille, because that's just held in by zip ties, because all the mounts are broken. Want to think of something cool, because there was a factory version which would flip up and just open the vent when the temps are like high enough, coolant temps, and as long as the car is cool, it's shut. So that's really cool. I want to build something like that. And I want to build a rear spoiler as well, not just the roof spoiler, but the rear spoiler as well. And maybe get another hood, because this is the 8.5, actually an 8.5 hood, not an 8.6 hood. Because of the crash, I guess the hood bonnet was damaged as well. It's extremely heavy, first thing, and the paint is stripping like crazy. So I would be happy to get some cool, I don't know, FRP hood, I think. Like not carbon fiber, but the carbon fiber would be cool. But just whatever you call it, glass fiber. There's a word for it, but I forgot. Hood, and make it black, because I think it could look cool. And yeah. That's the things for now. I think I don't want to extend the video too long, but I have cool ideas for the channel, and I want to do cool videos, and I guess yeah, it's gonna come soon. I also have, I don't know if you can see it today, cool microphone. So I want to try to increase the video quality a bit, but also make them fun for me and not just do what I don't enjoy. So yeah, if you want, I also continued my online shop. It's still live. I'm sending from Japan. So you can check it out here, roadstarsautomotive.etsy.com, or my website, and yeah, grab some MR2 stuff and maybe some 8.6 stuff coming soon as well. And with that, I would say thanks for watching, peoples, and might see you in the next video. I hope it's soon. I'm not promising anything, but I think it will be cool, and wish you all happy days, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.